If your Hisense Roku TV is showing a black screen with absolutely no picture at all, this quick troubleshooting guide is for you. But before we begin, I need to clarify something important. This video is not for TVs that have a black screen but you can still hear sound. When there's audio but no picture, it's usually a backlight failure. To check if that's your situation, do this simple test. Grab a flashlight and shine it directly onto the TV screen while the TV is on. Move it around slowly. If you can see faint images or menus, your TV is displaying a picture. The backlight just isn't turning on. In that case, you're dealing with a backlight failure, which normally requires professional repair or a full backlight replacement. But, if your TV is completely black with no image and possibly no sound, that's what today's video will help you fix. Alright, let's get into the solutions. The first thing you want to do is unplug your Hisense Roku TV from the wall socket. Once unplugged, wait a full 5 minutes. During this time, find the physical power button on your TV. It's usually underneath the TV, either in the middle or on the right side. After 5 minutes are up, press and hold that power button for 30 seconds while the TV is still unplugged. This drains any leftover power inside the TV and can clear software glitches that cause the black screen. Now plug the TV directly back into a wall outlet. No power strips, and press the power button again. Loose or faulty HDMI connections can cause your TV to boot into a black screen. Before powering it back on, disconnect all HDMI cables from the TV. Now turn the TV on with no cables attached, then reconnect each HDMI cable one at a time, watching to see if any device triggers the black screen again. If plugging in a certain device causes the screen to go black, that's your culprit. Replace the cable or restart the device. If HDMI wasn't the issue, try this hidden Roku reset sequence from your remote. Press home button 5 times, press up once, press rewind twice, press fast forward twice. This forces a system restart and can clear deep software errors. After entering the sequence, your TV might stay black for up to a minute. That's normal. Give it some time to reboot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips.